Today we will be replacing the bake element in our Whirlpool oven. We bought the part on the Whirlpool parts website. The first thing you want to do is unplug the oven. We had to move the stove oven to get ours out of the way so we can unplug it. You're going to want to take out the racks, and then we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew those two screws. You're going to want to set these screws somewhere that you don't lose them. Then you're going to want to pull the bake element out. Make sure you don't pull any of the insulation out. You're going to want to pull it out far enough so you can see the wiring. You're going to want to disconnect the bake element from the wiring. And then you're going to pull and disconnect the bake element. We're going to use these little kitchen clips to hold on to our wiring so that they don't fall back. That way they don't fall back into the back side of the oven, and we can avoid working from the back panel. I'm going to put these clips on the wiring so that I don't lose them and they don't go back into the wall. Go ahead and remove your old baking element. Now would be a good time to clean out that oven. Now we've got our new bake element. We're going to go ahead and connect it back to the wiring. We're going to go ahead and connect it just like it was before. Make sure it's pushed in all the way. Remove the clip. Yep, okay. Make sure that's pushed in all the way. Those feel nice and snug. Then we'll go ahead and run the wiring. Make sure the wiring goes back in and then align. Now you'll reinsert those two Phillips screws right here. Do not tighten the screw all the way. You'll want to insert the other screw. You just want to make sure that you can line it up. And we'll tighten the screws. And you'll tighten them. Make sure they're nice and snug. Remove your clips. Make sure everything is out of the oven. And then you can go ahead and test it. Make sure that everything is tight. You can then go ahead and put the oven racks back in and test it out. After we plug it back in and give it a test. We will push the oven back. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs. Hopefully you subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching Big Al Repairs.